Hi, this is Patrick, and I'm going to show you today how to replace your electronics box, so this, in your computer. This is what gives the power to all your components, from your motherboard, your CD readers, and everything else. So the reason why you want to replace this is, let's say, you have a new video card and it needs 1,200 watts. So now you want to replace this. What you need to do first is unplug your computer for sure, and then you want to unplug all your AC cords from everything. They'll be easy to spot, usually they'll be in bright colors, and you just unplug them from everything, from your motherboard, and there you go. So now, some of them will have clips like this, so you have to push down here to release it, like this one. There's another one. Some of them are really small, so you really need to unplug them all, otherwise it ain't gonna work. So you see now everything is unplugged and I'm good to go. So now if you look over here, you should have a screw. I had one here, 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 and here. I unscrewed them already because of preparation. See, they're here. You usually get little screws like that. You'll need a screwdriver for it because they're usually very tight. So now you just take it out by pulling on it. Now that's where, there you go. So you just pull this out and you replace it the same way. If you have any questions, just comments. Feel free to rate and subscribe. Thanks.